Welcome to our comparison of two popular smartphone gimbals, the Hohem iSteady M6 and the AOCHUAN Gimbals. In today's video, we'll delve into their features, pricing, and overall user experience to help you decide which gimbal is the best fit for your videography needs. Let's get started. The Hohem iSteady M6 kit offers advanced features such as AI tracking, a built-in magnetic fill light with RGB options, and a user-friendly OLED display. In contrast, the AOCHUAN gimbal provides essential features like face tracking and a built-in fill light, but lacks the advanced functionalities of the Hohem model. This makes the Hohem ideal for professional videographers, while the AOCHUAN is more suited for casual users. When it comes to pricing, the Hohem iSteady M6 kit is priced at $209, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. On the other hand, the AOCHUAN gimbal is significantly more affordable at $69, making it an attractive option for those on a budget. This price difference highlights the trade-off between advanced features and cost-effectiveness. User feedback for the Hohem iSteady M6 kit highlights its excellent stabilization and advanced tracking capabilities, making it a favorite among serious content creators. However, some users note its higher weight as a drawback. In contrast, the AOCHUAN gimbal is praised for its lightweight design and affordability, making it ideal for casual users and travelers, though some find its stabilization less effective on bumpy surfaces. In conclusion, the choice between the Hohem iSteady M6 kit and the AOCHUAN gimbal depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're looking for advanced features and superior stabilization, the Hohem is the way to go. However, if you're on a budget and need a portable option, the AOCHUAN gimbal is a fantastic choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.